Hello everyone, this is Arlene Mendez, and tonight I am going to show you a very simple recipe that's perfect for dinner, and it's called linguine in coconut milk. So first what we're going to do is just put the garlic in the pan, which the pan I already put 2 tablespoons of butter. So we're just going to saute it here for at least 2 minutes, or just to make it soft, and it's better not to make it brown, just a bit softer. So right now we're going to just put it here. It's very simple because we're only going to use garlic and crushed chili. We're putting 2 tablespoons crushed chili, but for those people who don't like spicy stuff, you can just put 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon salt, and if you find it not very salty, you can add more. Coconut milk, we have the coconut milk right here, and I'm just using this canned coconut milk, but for the people who have the fresh coconut, it's even better. Plus, of course, we have the shrimp. I already have this shrimp. It's cooked, so we're putting it here to saute with the garlic. It will give more aroma and flavor to the food. So for now, we'll just stir it for a bit, mix it for a bit, and we're going to add the shrimp, because this is already cooked anyway, and we're just putting it here for another 2 minutes. So we're adding the shrimp right now. We'll just make it a bit higher. Just keep stirring it. This is very simple. It's perfect for busy parents and also students, as I mentioned before, that it doesn't take long to saute this part. And we have here the linguine. What I did, I already put this in that boiling water and let it stay for 10 to 12 minutes. And also the boiling water has to have at least 2 tablespoons of oil, or if you have butter, it would be better to put butter in the boiling water. Then just let it stay there for 8 to 10 minutes until the linguine is done. So once this is a bit softer, like the garlic, we are going to add chili. So let's add at least 2 tablespoons chili. This is crushed chili. If you don't have any crushed chili, powder is also okay. And the good thing with this is not only the flavor, but it adds color to the shrimp. So this is how it's looking right now. So we're going to let it stay here for another minute. And this is very simple, and I assure you the kids will love this, plus of course us. So now that it's almost boiling, we are going to transfer this to another container just to boil the coconut milk, because it's already cooked, the shrimp that I put. If the shrimp is not cooked, you can put it for at least 6 to 7 minutes to let it cook. And there's the color, it's changing now. And there's a bit of water in it. Don't worry, because once we put the coconut milk in this and also the linguine, it will penetrate the linguine, so it's okay that there's a bit of water. Plus, we have to add at least 1 teaspoon of salt. So now that it's boiling, we're going to remove it, at least half of it, because once the linguine is done, or we have to soak the linguine in coconut milk, we can add the shrimp on top of the linguine and then mix it all together. So I will show it to you after this. So we'll just do it like this. It doesn't take long to do this. Once you boiled the linguine, everything is very easy and fast. So this is like this right now. We're going to add the coconut milk. If you don't have the coconut milk, it's okay. You can also use like cow's milk or even a bit of water. But I prefer linguine with coconut milk. So we're going to boil this. Once this is boiled, we're going to add the linguine. So it's like this right now. So let's just wait for another minute, and this is going to be a delicious meal because we're soaking this to here. We just want to make sure that the coconut milk is boiled. And you can buy the shrimp cooked, or if you prefer the not cooked shrimp, then you can just add more time in leaving it here at the pan. So it's almost boiling. So now we're going to add the linguine. So it's right here. This is a delicious meal, and of course everybody likes it. If you don't have the time to cook for longer hours, then it is better to just do pasta that's easy to cook. And you can also add veggies on this, like for example mushroom, or veggie like pepper, red pepper, yellow peppers, or sweet pepper. It's okay also to add in this one. So this is now boiling. We're going to add the linguine. If you don't have the linguine in the house, it's okay to use fettuccine or spaghetti, whatever is available in the house. You can use it, but linguine for some reason is perfect for this. So now, just going to mix it a bit. I'm also going to take picture of this once it's done, so those who follow me on Facebook, you can watch it or see the picture on Facebook. This is good because I've added chili. As you can see, the linguine is already cooked. So we're just adding the flavor of the coconut milk in it. And the coconut milk, you can find this in different brands in the store. And in the Philippines, it's better to use the fresh coconut. So we'll just do it like this. This is really good food. So I'm going to transfer this in a different container. We'll put it here. Since everything is cooked and we just waited for the coconut milk to boil and now it's done, we're transferring it to this container. And once you transferred it in this container, what you can do, I didn't put everything while I was doing it because I don't want to remove the flavor of the shrimp that we added before in the butter. So this is what you can have once this is done. And as you eat, you can just of course pick the shrimp, and this is the linguine we have. So hopefully you enjoyed the show. It's very simple and very fast. Okay, so next time again, I'll see you guys next week for another appetizing recipe, and I hope you all have a good evening. Bye for now.